What is up, you guys? This is my quarantine look. As you can tell, my hair is crazy, it's big, it's unmanageable, it's wild. But this video right here is not about none of that. It's not about none of that. It's about me unboxing this new camera for y'all. Right now, I am using my Sony camera, which I have used in all of my YouTube videos besides my ones in the very beginning, which was used on my iPhone 6. But your girl is updating herself, and by the title you already know what camera I got. I've been waiting to get this camera literally for months, forever and ever and ever, and then I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna be sitting at home doing not much because I'm working from home, but still it's not the same as going and being at work every day all day. So I might as well invest in myself a camera, one that I like, one that I want, one has good quality sound, one that it's just better. Now let's just go ahead and unbox this camera. So I did get mine from Best Buy because it is quarantine. I did not go in the store, but like I said, for months I knew exactly which camera I wanted to get. I had been eyeing it. It's just a little bit pricey, and so I just didn't buy it. I was like, you know what, I got what I got, and that works for now. So this is the box that it came in. It's still in the box. I haven't opened it at all because I do want to unbox it with you guys. So this is the video creator kit, and it also says dare to dream. And like I said, I did get it from Best Buy curbside pickup because quarantine is like, baby, you're not going in my store, you're not getting sick, you're not getting me sick, you're not getting my workers sick. And so I just ordered it online. I pulled up to the store about a week later, and it was there. It was ready for me. Oh wow. On the very top of the box, they actually gave me a 32 gigabyte SD card. I actually bought a 128 gigabyte SD card on Amazon, and I'm waiting for that to come in. I didn't think I was gonna be getting this one, and so yeah, I'm actually pretty excited about this. I'm actually probably gonna give it to one of my friends though, because I'm giving her my old camera. So you're welcome. So they have it secure inside of the box. I see two different boxes right inside of here. So I got the lightweight on-camera microphone from Video Mic Go. So I do have the Rode microphone, which I'm very excited to use because sometimes my quality in my camera is off. It does not require any type of batteries, and it has a 2-year warranty, and it's lightweight. I can tell it's lightweight because it's already super lightweight even inside of this box. And so you hook it onto the camera like so. And yeah, I'm excited to use that. So better content for my YouTube subscribers, new and old. Hit your girl up because I'm about to get it popping with these videos, okay? Okay, so here is the camera itself. It came in a fantabulous box, and it says EOS M50. I can't wait to play with this camera, look at all the features it has, but the main thing I wanted from this camera was the flip screen, higher quality, and also Wi-Fi certified. I love when cameras have that Wi-Fi certification because you can actually take your camera outside, you can set it up on a tripod, and you can take pictures from a clicker or from your phone, and I love that with a passion because you don't need somebody there filming you. You don't. You just do it yourself. You don't need somebody taking your pictures. You don't, especially if it has auto. Boy, if it got auto, my pictures have to be on fire. So follow your girl at SureFitJohnson on Instagram so you can know what's good. I'm also a coach slash teacher, so I would definitely follow me on my coach's page, Coach Sherfit Johnson, because that's me. So it came with a lanyard that you hook up to your camera, which is always awesome because you can just put it around your neck, especially when you're trying to shoot other things. I do have a 3-year-old son, so I would love to take him outside and show him how to pose and work the camera, work his model face and angles. And so it has one of the straps. It goes around your neck like this, and it holds onto the camera. So I will definitely be putting this on. Okay, and then here we have the actual lens itself. Now I feel like I need to get a camera case. So here is the lens. And it has this covering. You always need that covering. Don't ever lose it. Look at that. It's a beauty. And when I tell you guys, this camera is so lightweight, it's incredible. It's incredible. Okay, so I also have a battery and the battery charger. One thing that I will probably buy is a extra battery, because Lord knows when you be on a roll filming stuff, all of a sudden your camera battery dies. And this camera is not like the current camera I have now, where I can actually plug it up on the side. This one I actually have to take out the battery and charge it. So look, I'm gonna need another battery on deck, charged and ready to go, especially after Corona over, because baby, I'm gonna be making trips, taking trips. Okay, so here is the cartridge. It's very sleek. It actually goes in like that. I've seen them where they just stick out and they don't close back in, so that's amazing. It makes it more compact. Here's the actual beauty. The camera. Look at this bad boy. It does have a little bit of a weight to it, like it's heavier than the Sony camera that I have, but it's not too heavy. It's not too heavy. Has a flash, because your girl always be trying to look like the sun is out. Okay, so this is my favorite part right here. The fact that it flips. So when I'm recording myself, I can actually see myself. So it would be like this. I will have it on my tripod and I can see me doing whatever it is I need to be doing. Like makeup, hair, another video. But it also turns backwards. So if I need to shoot someone else, I can see more vividly what it looks like, which is also a plus. I also like that it doesn't have many controls on it, which means there are not a lot of settings that I have to go through. It's more basic, which is a great thing. At the bottom, it does have somewhere for me to screw it on to a stand so I can shoot. So this is where the SD card goes. So let's open that up.